Thank you for joining me, Wessex Blades. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, you may remember a few months ago, for all of those who are subscribed, I got a laser. For all of those new to the channel, I got a laser. Lasted 3 weeks and then packed up. All started juddering on all kinds of axes. The laser itself was still working, but it just wasn't doing any paths, wouldn't go home or anything. It took until last week to get my money back on it. A really long, drawn out affair of having to perform tests, having to perform continuity tests, having to do this error command, having to sort out what that error command, what this fault command number was, and all. Contact with the manufacturer to rule out what faults the supplier was saying it was going to be, and all in. Yeah, I've had to run around. So it ended out I had to post it back to China. Now, everything that's going on slightly geopolitically in the world at the moment, I was in a rush before anything other geopolitical things were going on, that it would be difficult to get things there and back from China, as it were. So it's arrived. It's been checked that there was a fault with it, and now I've got my money back. So options were to get the same model again, because it was what I was after, or something else like one of these ones from JW Lucas. Unfortunately, they are out of my reach at the moment, those $1,500 jobs. So I've done the same model again, and the next video upload, should anybody be interested, will be me literally frame by frame, stage by stage, unboxing it, checking everything, setting it all up, installing the software, firmware, hardware, whatever it is that comes down from. There is a gerbil laser gerbil, so it just installs an updatable set brain into it, and then obviously I still got all the patterns that I had done myself and programmed, the shapes and the logos, everything that I had got up to, and spent 3 weeks busting my balls trying to move forward, and then it had stopped. Okay, so I am literally trying to pick up where I'd left off in December or earlier. So for all the ideas of let's see how we can move forward now, just saying hi everybody, the box is in now. There is an almighty sort of divot, sort of something that sort of thick, maybe sort of 10 mil thick, has gone into it. I'm hoping that it hasn't gone through. I'm hoping that it's okay. But yeah, watch this space. I will then clear this desk up. That space there is the area intended for it. Please join me and let's move forward on this latest bit of Wessex Blades journey. So thanks for joining me, thanks for your patience. Anybody who's new to the channel, obviously there's ways to support me through thick and thin areas like this. The machine packs up and it literally takes me 4 months to get it sorted. Please check out my other videos and give us a like, and then the next video in the next couple of days will be the upload of